I asked Elon to drive my tractor on my birthday, and he didn't. Elon Musk did not show. So I'm giving up on Elon and I'm moving on to others.
Help a little farmer!
Do you want to drive my tractor? No need to come this way. You can drive it remotely from your phone on the couch all day. You could race Nick Welker if he agrees. Don't be YouTube shy. Do you want to drive my tractor? It has to be this tractor. Don't say bye.
Help Welker!
Do you want to drive my tractor? Steer it with computer keys. Even though it isn't red, maybe you could pretend it isn't green. You could race Millennial Farmer if he agrees. Don't be YouTube shy. Do you want to drive my tractor? It has to be this tractor. Don't say bye.